In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Meta AI effortlessly. We'll make sure you're comfortably navigating through every step, whether you're a first-timer or need a quick refresher. First things first, to access Meta AI, you'll need a Meta account. If you're already set up with one, that's great, but if not, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of creating one. You can easily sign up for a Meta account using Facebook or Instagram if you're already on those platforms. This makes the process pretty seamless as you'll be using your existing login details. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can sign up with your email address or phone number. Once you've chosen your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions. These will typically involve entering some basic information, such as your name and date of birth, and creating a password. Remember, a strong password is key for security, so use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols where possible. Once your Meta account is all set up, logging into Meta AI becomes straightforward. Open your web browser and head over to the Meta AI website. You'll see an option to log in, which you should click on. Here, depending on how you created your account, you can select to log in using Facebook, Instagram, an email, or your phone number. Enter the credentials that match the method you used during the account creation process. If you encounter any issues while logging in, there might be simple solutions. For example, double-check your password for any typos if you receive an error message. One handy tip is to use a password manager, which can save and autofill your information securely, reducing the chances of input errors. Once you successfully enter your credentials, you should be granted access to Meta AI. If it's your first time logging in on this device, you might be asked to confirm your identity with an additional security step, like verifying a code sent to your email or phone. This is just to ensure that your account remains safe. Congratulations, you're now inside the Meta AI platform. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout and explore the features available. If you have any trouble navigating, don't worry. Most platforms come with an FAQ or help section, or you can reach out to their support team for assistance. Wrapping things up, remember that creating a Meta account and logging into Meta AI should be a smooth process. But in case you hit any snags, retrace these steps and take advantage of the helpful hints I shared. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to connect with Meta AI with confidence. Have a great day exploring all that Meta AI has to offer.